So I've got the Razer Black Shark V2 Pro headphones, and today I'll be showing you how to install the Razer Synapse app on your Windows computer as a companion app for your headphones, just so that it gives you access to more features and more settings for your headphones. Okay. Now I've already connected this to the PC via this little dongle. So to install that app, you want to go to your favorite browser and just do a quick Google search of Razer Synapse, as I've done there. Okay, so it's just a quick Google search. And from the results, you're looking for Razer Synapse 4, which is the latest edition or version of the Synapse app, Razer Synapse. So I'm going to reject this and then scroll down. And then you have two options: download for Windows, download for Mac. Now, depending on what you have, just download the relevant version. I have Windows. I'm going to go for the Windows download. And of course, you'll get a pop-up window asking you where you want to save the installer. Select where you want to save and have it downloaded onto your PC. With the download complete, you want to navigate to the location of your download, and you should find your Razer Synapse installer there. Double click on it to start the installation process. Now, on this page, of course, click on yes. In fact, I'm going to minimize this so you can have a clear picture of exactly what you're doing. So that's going to prompt or start the installer. There you go. Razer gaming software. So I'm going to click on continue and then confirm that it's the Razer Synapse 4 I want to install and click on install. Now, of course, during this process, you'll be prompted to install a few more apps. You can go and skip most of them and just download the Razer Synapse 4. So the installation is complete. It says it does require a reboot. So I'm going to quickly log in. If you have a Razer account, you can go straight ahead and log into your account. If you don't have one, then you can quickly sign up for a Razer account. So that's what I'm going to do first. I'm going to sign up for a Razer ID account. So once the app is all set up and you've restarted your computer, you should be good to go. So now I'm just going to go ahead and return on the headphones so that they appear in the app. And there you go. So you can see that light up, and I can now click on this and have access to more settings, equalization settings, volume settings, so many settings and profiles and stuff I can change and tweak around on the Razer Black Shark V2 Pro. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and good luck.